Introducing the MDO4000 series, the world's first and only mixed-domain oscilloscope. For the first time ever, the functionality of a spectrum analyzer and an oscilloscope have been integrated together, giving you the power to analyze the time domain and frequency domain with one feature-packed instrument. Now you can see your analog, digital, and RF signals in one glance. The MDO4000 series will even decode your serial and parallel buses automatically. And all signals are correlated in time, so you can see what's happening with your design at any time. You can even see the RF spectrum at any point in time in your acquisition to see how it changes over time or with device state. Complete system visibility like this hasn't existed before now. With 4 analog and 16 digital channels and 1 RF input, you can monitor what's happening at multiple points in your design to troubleshoot system problems. And with several models to choose from, you can decide just what analog bandwidth and RF frequency range you need. Finally, an oscilloscope as integrated as your design. Now you can solve the most complicated design issues quickly and efficiently. Today's complex wireless-enabled designs require looking at analog, digital, and RF signals to debug system problems. With the MDO4000 series, you can analyze all of your signals fast. The upper half of the display shows you the time domain view of your analog and digital signals, just as you would expect from an oscilloscope, while the bottom half shows you the spectrum of your RF input signal. Because the RF input channel has its own dedicated hardware path optimized for RF performance, the MDO4000 provides significantly better frequency domain performance than available with a traditional scope FFT and offers up to 6 GHz of frequency coverage. The real power of the MDO4000 comes from its universal trigger and acquisition system. Because all channels are fully integrated, you can trigger on any of your signals and the scope will capture all channels simultaneously. As a result, all signals are time-correlated for accurate analysis. Spectrum time shows the period of time used to calculate the RF spectrum. To investigate how your RF spectrum is changing over time, simply move spectrum time through your acquisition. The MDO4000 will automatically show you the updated spectrum. Because the MDO4000 captures a long time period of your RF signal, it has millions of data points to calculate the precise spectrum you want to see at any point in time in your acquisition. Groundbreaking technology only from Tektronix. For easy system analysis, 3 RF versus time traces are available. Shown in the time domain window, these traces indicate how your RF signal changes over time in relation to your other signals. Thanks to the MDO4000, you can now quickly and easily analyze your design across the time and frequency domains. Common wireless communication standards often require looking at frequency hopping signals or wide bandwidth modulated signals. Yet, most traditional spectrum analyzers are narrowband, showing you only a small portion of your spectrum at any point in time. But not the MDO4000. With up to a 3 GHz capture bandwidth, you can see your whole spectrum of interest at any point in time. Now you can watch your signal hop to different frequency bands, or capture communications from multiple radios at once. To help you navigate such a wide spectrum, the MDO4000 provides fast and efficient automated markers. Simply define threshold and excursion values, and the scope will automatically search your entire spectrum and mark all peaks that meet your criteria, enabling you to quickly see the frequency and amplitude of each peak. See something of interest? Place a manual marker for a quick readout of the frequency and amplitude at that point in the spectrum. To capture the exact RF event you're interested in, you can trigger on changes in your RF signal's power level. With the optional trigger module, you can even use RF power level as the source for a variety of advanced triggers. And with automated RF measurements, you can quickly analyze your spectrum for common parameters like channel power, adjacent channel power ratio, and occupied bandwidth. To see how your spectrum's peaks are changing in both frequency and amplitude, you can use the built-in spectrogram display, an ideal tool for monitoring slow-changing RF phenomena. With the MDO4000 series, you have a tool packed with features for seeing and analyzing your RF spectrum quickly and efficiently. Built on the trusted MSO4000B oscilloscope platform, the Tektronix MDO provides all the great oscilloscope tools you need to debug your digital designs fast. Discover problems in seconds with the unique digital phosphor technology. With a fast waveform capture rate of up to 50,000 waveforms per second, you'll see glitches and other elusive problems quickly. With over 135 trigger combinations, including triggers for serial packet content and parallel data, capture your event of interest the first time. And with a record length of up to 20 million points, you can capture a long time window to see what's happening in your device while maintaining resolution to zoom in on signal details. Once you've captured your signal, the innovative Wave Inspector controls let you automatically search your entire waveform record for an event you specify. Wave Inspector will mark every occurrence of the event. With up to 44 automated measurements and advanced waveform math, you have the tools you need to easily analyze your device's behavior. The MDO4000 series offers feature-rich tools to speed every stage of debugging your digital design.